Remember the golden age, when Silicon Valley dangled AI like a lottery ticket. Every blog post said the same thing: learn machine learning. Traditional software is dead. Backend engineers are obsolete. Smug engineers on Hacker News told you if you weren't training models, you were already behind. The message was clear: become an AI engineer or get left behind. Fast forward to today. Most AI engineers are not building models. They're wiring APIs together, cleaning broken datasets, tuning prompts like they're adjusting radio knobs. The real model work, that's still locked inside a handful of companies and research labs. Everyone else is just renting intelligence. AI looks magical in a demo. In production, it's a Swiss Army knife that weighs 10 pounds. You don't debug logic, you debug behavior. Something breaks, and there's no stack trace, just vibes. Accuracy drops. Could be the data, could be the prompt, could be the moon phase. You retrain, you reprompt, you wait. This isn't engineering, it's gardening. Here's the part nobody advertises. AI systems decay, models rot, data shifts, performance silently degrades. So companies pay a tax, forever, and hiring. That's the scary part. They don't want a specialist who only understands one model or one framework. They want someone who can keep the system alive when the magic stops working. Most companies would rather hire a solid back-end engineer than a fragile AI specialist who needs constant tooling updates. The winners didn't chase titles. They learned fundamentals. Back-end engineers using Go, Rust, or TypeScript plug AI in as a tool, not a religion. They treat models like databases. Useful, replaceable, contained. They ship code, not dissertations. Every hype cycle sells purity. This one sells intelligence. But in software, practicality wins every single time. The engineers who last aren't chasing shiny abstractions. They're building systems that survive reality. Learn AI if you want. Just don't build your identity around it, because when the hype fades, only fundamentals remain.